Hello students, so today onwards we will learn about some chemistry topic from class 9 Ncert. Today I will tell you about atoms and molecules which you will find at chapter number 3 of class 9 Ncert. So let's start today topic atoms and molecules, where in the previous chapter you will know that you will know something about matter. Here we will learn about atoms. So Maharishi Kanath, who is an Indian philosopher, he told that if we go on dividing matter, we shall get smaller and smaller particles. Ultimately a stage will come where we shall come across the smallest particle beyond which further division will not be possible. He named these particles as Parmanu. So if we take matter and we started dividing into smaller one, smaller one, smaller one, smaller one, then a time will come where we can't smaller it further. So that smallest particle is called as what? Parmanu. So after him, Pakhuda Katayama, he gave one statement that the particles called Parmanu normally exist in a combined form which gives us various forms of water. So he just give reverse statement of Maharishi Kanath that if we unite, combine all the uh, atoms, then we will find what? A matter. So after him, Democritus and Leucippus, foreign scientist, came who gave statement that if we go on dividing matter, a stage will come particles when particles cannot be divided further. These individual particles are called atoms. Means the statement remains same with Maharishi Kanath, only the name changed. Maharishi Kanath told that what? Parmanu. And what Democritus told that Parmanu as atoms. Only name changed, but the definition remain same. So to finding out how and why elements combine and what happens when they combine, Anthony L. Lavoisier established two important laws of chemical combination. So here when elements combine, what result came? To find that one, Anthony L. Lavoisier gave two important laws. One is law of conservation of mass and another is law of constant proportion. So if you just go through this name, conservation of mass, constant proportion, you will find that conservation of mass means what? To conserve, to protect the mass. Means if in a chemical reaction you will find what? One reactant side and another is product side. So if you consider the mass of reactant side, it will remain always equal with the mass of product side. So there is no addition, no subtraction. And in the second law, law of constant proportion, you will find that all the element maintain constant proportionality. When they combine to form a molecule, they maintain a constant proportion. Okay. So here we will see law of conservation mass. We took calcium chloride and Na2SO4 solution, and don't allow them to mix with one another, and just note down the mass of that thing. Here you will find that 300 gram mass remain at the reactant side. After some time I allowed them to mix with one another and noted down their mass. I will find that here also the mass remain 300 grams. So what I found, the mass of reactant side remain equal with mass of product side. So the final statement came from this law of conservation mass, that mass can neither be created nor destroyed in chemical reaction. Means at reactant side and product side, if I found some mass at reactant side that remain equal after the reaction already done. So there is no creation, no destruction. Okay. Next, law of constant proportion. So law of constant proportion, what is say? It states that in a chemical substance the elements are always present in a definite proportion by mass. Means, just consider this example. In a compound of water, the mass of hydrogen to the mass of oxygen is always 1:8. Means they always maintain a proportion 1 mass of hydrogen and 8 mass of oxygen. Combine to form they combine in this ratio to form water. So in a chemical substance, suppose that chemical substance is water, the elements are always present in definite proportion. Means if hydrogen remain 1, then oxygen remain 8 mass. Just see H2O. So 2H means what? 2. Why? Because one hydrogen atomic mass is 1 and two hydrogen atomic mass is 2, and oxygen atomic mass, sorry, 1. Yes, 2 is to 16. If we cancel with one another, then we will find 1 is to 8. So this ratio remain constant always. So next is Dalton's atomic theory. We will learn about Dalton's atomic theory in our next class. So before that, if you have any doubt, then comment me in this video's comment section. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel for regular content. And if you like this video, then give like button. So thank you so much.